Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I've never used Whiteboard, and I really don't know why I would use it. So here is, was able to copy and paste a worksheet into this whiteboard here. Oh, look at that. And then I know that I can use this area over here and find some colors to draw with. Actually, I probably should do these here. And I can make it bigger, and we can talk about cross-hatching. Let's see how, oops, that's not a good color. Oh, let's go black. Let's go black. Got rid of that. Let's go here and make this black. There we go. Now I could do some cross-hatching here. It's very difficult because I don't have a pen. Oh, stippling. I've learned that I could add some shapes. So I could do some blue shapes. Oh, shapes. And let's make that shape color blue. I don't really know how to do that. Okay. But I did find that I can add another one and another one. I'm not really sure what I would do here. There's a timer. Not sure what to do with this timer. I don't know if it's something you use live when you're presenting this. I really don't know. I'm not sure why I would use. I'm not sure why I would use this, but here is my video, and I might have to do some more research on what. Oh, maybe do some. Oh, there it is. Do some research on why I would use this. So there it is. Okay.